Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can record Full HD 120 frames per second video on S20 Ultra. So at the first we have to open our camera. Next we have to switch to the more option, and right now we have to go for the Pro Video. And when we tap right here on the upper section and pick up Full HD 120 frames, we are able to hit the record button, and after that we will get this video in a very fast and smooth frames per second rate. And of course, if you try to make it by using the standard video mode, we can only use Full HD on the 60, 30 or just auto. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.